Hey, what's up guys? In this video I am going to show you how you can design a mobile app like this. I hope you liked it, and we are going to create inside Wondershare Mockit. With this you can create prototypes in less than 10 minutes. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux as well as your web browser, which means it works everywhere. Let's begin by creating a new project. So simply name the project, select the template size for which you want to design, either mobile tablets, TV or even your custom size which you prefer. And this is how their default layout looks like. These are the tools which you will need to design your prototypes. Here you will find most commonly used tools for material design, iOS design or even Windows components. You will find it all here. Okay, so let's me go ahead and delete the status bar and title bar because I want to create onboarding screen, so I don't really need all these things. So first thing we need is an image for the background of the page. You can simply drag and drop components on the canvas and resize as per your need. Mockit gives nice guidelines to place items. Now for the image source, I am going to browse it from my computer. To resize the image, you can double tap and hold one of the corner and drag it until you like it. And it's done. Okay, let me quickly add an icon image. And one quick tip over here, if you want to resize proportionally, then hold shift key while dragging it. It will grow proportional to the height and width, otherwise it will grow only in one direction. Here now I want this icon to be rounded corner. Don't worry, we don't need to change our icon for that. Simply go to style section and change this rounded property. If you want to modify individual corner, you can do that as well. So this looks fine to me. Let's move to the next component and add some title to our page. You can modify different properties like alignment, font size, font color and other things. And it's so basic. So let's add another text and then modify the text and properties and everything else you want. Totally depends on your preference. Let's add a button to the page. Now here I want a custom look and feel for the button. Make it rounded corner and modify as per my design. So let's add a text to the button. And yes, of course, you can play around with the shadow. Add one text in the bottom and I am going to duplicate it with the help of Ctrl D. Okay, so now you know how to create your page and work with components. Now let me show you how to add more page. Click the plus button on the top left and it's done. I mean, yes, that's how you can create new screen. Here you can simply drag the pre-built components and there are ton of components available, so you can just choose them and drag on your design and it is completely functional. I am going to provide the images to show in the slider and you can add extra image as well. And here I am going to customize it to the look and feel of the application. So instead of this black color, I will make it a little bit teal. How cool is that? With just few clicks, you have this wonderful slider in place. Now it's time to copy paste again. I will copy title, subtitle and some buttons of the previous page with slight modification in properties. Our next page is ready and it's just looking stunning. Let's create another page where I can show you some other cool features. You can create multiple guidelines to align the layout properly. And now let me introduce to their inbuilt icons. So for instance, I want back button here. In this page, simply I can go to icon section and type back. Here are the list of icons matching with my search. Design with the icons look more appealing. So using some icons and our custom buttons, I have created these two buttons for social login and it's just looking perfect for the design. So this is not just a box. Of course you can play around with the different properties, like you can make it rounded, you can change the font color and all those stuff. But here you can specify the type of input you are expecting, and here you will get a keyboard which will behave accordingly for emails, numbers, password, etc. If you are into prototyping or you just want to showcase your idea to someone, this tool is really a gem for you. In a few clicks, you can create mockup which is incredible and responsive. So with some duplicates and some more properties, at the last provide linking here. Let me show you how to link your screens. When you click on any item, you will get this action button. Simply drag it to the page where you want to navigate it and it's done. It's that simple. Similarly, I will provide linking for all the pages. Now let's have a look to our final design. It's just looking awesome. Now let me show you how you can export your project. If you want to share the files, you can simply download them, or if you want to export Android application itself, you can do that as well. And if you want to share your idea to others, maybe your boss, your friends, so you can copy the link directly, select the pages you want to share and done. Others can see your mockup and give feedback on them, and now you can include this design into your website with the help of iframe to showcase your work in portfolio. This one is my personal favorite. And that's it for this video. I hope you people enjoyed it. Leave your feedback in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you have enjoyed the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to check out Wondershare Mockit. It's really nice tool. You will find first link in the description and first link in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.